Importante siya kasi as an artist, hindi lang bilang artist kahit, you know, an everyday, ano mo lang, pag may lakad ka, gano'n, it's important to smell good. And nakaka-boost siya ng confidence, especially pag, for example, like, mabango yung breath mo, gano'n, while talking to people, like meeting new people. So, yeah, it gives so much confidence sa tao. Pag-perfume siguro, mas ako sa fresh kasi mainit kasi sa Pilipinas eh. So, gusto ko yung cool na na scent and fresh lang.
Yes! Siya ang nagtanong.
Dating. Ba?
Baka naman wala, o diba? Meron pa, baka naman wala.
Parang wala eh.
Hindi kami happy pa yung nawala, o diba? Gusto natin ganyan, walang dating mishap na walang embarrassing moment. Very
Kailangan, you gotta keep your cool, di ba? Ganun dapat always kasi syempre, ayaw mo naman na mamaya ma-disappoint sa'yo yung dinidate mo. So as much as possible, you gotta try everything, and you gotta do everything just to, just to impress the girl that you love, or just impress the guy that you like. So, yeah. Silang tinatawag na yung parang kahit first time nyo pala mag-meet, you feel like, parang comfortable or compatible kayo with each other. And meron ding matagal na magkakilala, they're just, like, kinikilala nila ng mas malalim yung isa't isa. And, yeah, it depends siguro sa it depends sa person. Merong short, and then like, talagang close na sila agad, or nagkakagustuhan na sila. Meron ding mas mahaba kasi gusto na lang kilalanin pa yung isa't isa. Yun po. Yeah.
Diba?
Ang hirap talaga. Yeah, other than smelling good, I think, gaya na sabi ko kanina, as much as possible, make someone happy. And, I know na hindi sa lahat ng oras, pagiging, happiness yung nandyan. Doon yung struggles na darating, but still, you gotta be there whenever like he or she needs you. So, yeah. Support talaga, tsaka communication always. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Every day, yung person talaga, madami pang sobrang daming kailangan matutunan. Even like professional athletes, professional singers, dancers, araw-araw meron pa talagang mga bagong skills na kailangan matutunan. And for me, there are a lot of things that, gusto ko rin matutunan. I learned to smile often. Kasi dito talagang mapipilitan. Joke lang. Well, it gives so much, warmth pag nag-smile ka talaga. I mean, I learned that so much, but ako kasi, hindi ako yung tipo ng tao na pala-smile eh. Yeah, but, seeing my fans there, nakaka-smile ko kasi, the support, the love, yung warmth ng love na binibigay nila sa'yo. It gives you, ano ba tawag dito?
Very comforting na agad eh.
Yeah, it's, parang hindi ko siya ma-explain eh. So, hindi mo pigilan pag-smile ka na lang na parang out of nowhere. But, it just means that I'm happy to see them. So, yeah. Smile talaga, yung pag-smile talaga.
Yes, and